little boy. You say that. Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back.
Hello everyone. If you guys are new to this channel, I'm Izzy. I like to make haul, story times, and everything in between. I hope you guys had a great Halloween. I know I did. I posted my very bootleg costumes on Instagram if you guys want to see that. But now it's November and I actually can't believe it because I feel like it's still March. This pandemic has just been one very long month. I'm 10 weeks into my semester now and it feels like I just started yesterday. That's just something I've been thinking about a lot recently and I just wanted to share that. So today I'm going to be unboxing my YesStyle box of Chic. YesStyle actually sent this to me for free, so thank you so much. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted this to be like a first impressions type of video. So you guys will get to see my reactions as I open it. I'm so excited to see what I got because I received it in the mail like this past Tuesday and it's Sunday now, so I've been holding off throughout the whole week to open it. But now I can finally open it, so here we go. So this is what it looks like. It comes in this clear bag and there's just a bunch of different things in here. I think there's like some skincare and also like a shirt or something. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Okay, so I got this thank you card from them. What is the first thing I'm gonna take out from this? So the first thing I got was this Ramen Neon Moon, better than Chic, so I'm assuming it's some sort of like Chic product. Okay, let's open this. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a blush! So this is what the package looks like. It's so cute, honestly. Okay, now let's swatch this. I have a feeling it might be like a little too light on me. This is definitely a little light for me. If you're like around my skin tone or darker, I don't think I would recommend this shade specifically. There might be some darker shades that they sell, but I would definitely use this for lighter looks. It's super cute and super subtle, so I think this was a great product to start with for this video. Okay, next up is this lipstick from CORINGCO. It's the Cherry Chew Bonny lipstick in number 5 vintage brown. Okay, let's open this and oh, okay. Oh, this is a cute package. Oh, I see. This is a really nice color, oh my god. Let me just swatch it real quick. Oh! I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's what that looks like on my hand. And I'll just put it on my lips real quick. Oh! Oh, the... I just noticed this. So when you close it, the cap is magnetic, so it automatically just like snaps on. This is what it looks like on me. I didn't put too much and I also put it on while not looking at the mirror, so it might look weird. I don't know. It's one of those more moisturizing and shiny type of lipsticks as opposed to a matte lipstick, which I've actually been more into the moisturizing lipsticks versus the matte lipsticks. I used to be so into matte lipsticks, but they would dry out my lips all the time and I just have like crackly dry lips the whole day. It's very lightweight and comfortable on my lips, not to mention it's a cute color. This one is another great pick. Okay, this next item is from Keep Cool. It's the Soothe Bamboo Mini Kit. So it basically comes with like a mini version of their bamboo toner, serum, and lotion. This is interesting. Look at the panda, it's so cute. I don't think I'm gonna try this on right now because it's like a skincare type thing, but I will use it and update you guys on it. Let's just see what's inside. Oh, so it's supposed to be calming and repairing. That's great. This is the, oh, this is the serum, this is the toner, and this is the lotion. Okay, I'm gonna smell them just cause. Oh. There's a seal on it, so I can't really smell it. Yeah. Okay, along with my update, I'm gonna tell you guys how it smells because I know that there's a lot of people that are sensitive to certain scents. I'm not really one of those people, but I do want to be honest when I'm trying out products. So I'll let you all know what happens with this. Next we have these Aloe Essence mask sheets from esfolio. So there's 10 of them in here. I personally haven't tried this brand before, but I have tried other aloe masks before and I personally really love aloe masks. So I will try this also and let y'all know how it is. Next we have these hair rollers. Hair rollers have honestly never worked for me because I just have like super straight hair that's impossible to curl without heat. But I'm interested to try them again because it's been a pretty long time since I did. Okay, it has like clamps so that you can hold it in place along with the Velcro thingy. Do I want to try this now? Actually, yeah, let me try it now. Okay, well, let me try this tiny strand here. Okay, I'll just try up to there and I'll clip it so it stays there. No, let me just put it back. Okay, we'll have that stay there for a bit and then check on it later. But yeah, on to the next item. This next product is from SKINFOOD. It's the Peach Cotton Multi-Finish Powder. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but we'll see. I'm thinking it might be like a setting powder. I don't know. I feel like it would make sense if it was. Okay, so you twist off the top and then it has this little puff that you apply the powder with. And then the powder is inside over here. Okay, let's see how this goes. Might end up spilling powder all over my bed, but it's okay. Do it for the video. Oh, I already saw some... I see some powder coming out. Oh no. Oh no, I don't know if y'all see that, but there's powder. Yeah, I'm gonna stop right here and just use like the little bit that's over here. Okay, great. Now I don't know what this is supposed to do. It smells like peach. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god. Not sure exactly what this is supposed to do, but I'll look it up and find out, and then I'll learn how to use it properly so that I can tell you guys. It smells so nice. I'm just gonna... Oh, next item is a food item. It's the fire ramen but the carbonara flavor, which I actually have never tried. I'm tempted to try it right now, but it's like midnight when I'm filming this and I don't think I want to die. I shall try this another day. Just like half of the things that I have here. Next I have this from Vanilla Co. It's the Clean It Zero cleaning balm set. I'm actually not sure what a cleaning balm is either. So I'm just reading the directions and it says, with clean hands, take a small amount on your palm using the spatula. Apply the balm on dry face and gently massage in circular motion to melt away the makeup. Add water to emulsify and then wash your face with lukewarm water. Huh. Okay. I want to see how they smell. Hold up. Oh, ow. This is a tough sticker. Oh, it slides out. Okay. Oh, these are so cute. Look at them. They're just like these tiny jars. I want to smell it. Oh, that smells nice. I don't know what smell that is, but it smells nice. Okay, let's see this one. That one also smells nice. I also can't identify scents, but it smells nice. Okay, this one's probably lemon. Actually, does that smell like... I wish I could actually show you guys what it smells like so that you could tell me what smell it is, because I cannot identify it. Oh, that one. Imagine it just says the scents like right on it and I just don't know. But also everything here is written in Korean and I am not that good at Korean. Fun fact, I've been learning Korean for a year because I promised myself that I would learn a language in college, and so that's what I picked. I'm also trying to get a minor degree in it, so I'm going to have to study it for another 2 years. Technically I can read this out loud, it's just that I don't want to be embarrassing with my terrible accent. I just realized it looks like a little macaroon box. Is that what it's supposed to look like? Oh yeah, it's called Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Set Mini Macaroon Limited Edition. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, we're almost done with this. There's just like 2 more items. So this next one is like a tie-dye shirt and I believe it's an oversized one. Oh, that's a cute color. You know what, I think I'm gonna try it on right now just to show you guys. Should I keep this on though? Actually, no, you know what? Let me just take it out right now. Okay, so see, it didn't curl my hair because I need heat for my hair. My hair is just uncooperative when it comes to any sort of curling, okay? But I don't be a deal of these. It makes sense to like have these clips to hold it still while you're wearing it, because I remember the ones that I would see around the house, it was just like this. So I couldn't really hold my hair with it. It would always like unravel and stuff like that. 2 more. Okay, yeah, there's 3 of them. But yes, I will go try this on now that my hair is free. Okay, so this is what it looks like on me. I was right, it's a very oversized shirt. I really like the colors because it's like purple and pink and blue. Yeah, it's very cute. And this last one is a sticker pack. I love sticker packs so much. I'm the type to collect so much of them, but I never use it because I just want to like preserve the sticker as is. I don't want it to get ruined or anything like that. That's a bad habit of mine, hoarding stickers. But I've been getting better with it. I've been trying to like find ways to use them that don't put them through too much wear and tear, I guess, so that I don't feel so bad about using them and then having them get ruined after. Oh, it's a character. It's Pengsoo. This little penguin that like DJs. He like goes to Paris. Barfs rainbows, I think. Yeah, he like barfs rainbows. And he skateboards on his tummy. He works out? Wait, look at this, he worked out. That's more than I do. Like, wow, you're really trying weights out here. I see. I love stickers, so I'm going to be finding ways to use this along with the 50 million other stickers that I already have. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, thank you to YesStyle for sending me these items. I really had fun unboxing them and just like being stupid and going through them. For the products that I didn't try out on camera, I'll be trying them on my own time, and I'll be updating either in the comments or in the description box about how they are, basically. If you guys want to purchase any of these items, the links will be down in the description box. I'm one of YesStyle's influencers, so I do have a discount code with them if you'd like to use it. It's IZZYSUNDAY in all caps, and you get some percentage off of your purchase. I also make commission off of it whenever you use it, so it's a win-win situation. My code and all of the links will also be down in the description box, so you can feel free to check those out if you are interested in buying anything from this or just anything from YesStyle in general. This was such a fun video to make, so I hope I get to do more of them in the future. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.